Kasih tak dia mentah kata yo kedai kesengi kebansakan mau ya ki pat jok Rilum Garo. Ha keba ulat ke jylla upagu Johan ula Plie ya ke Raj Bhavan keba ar jong ke jylla Meghalaya kebalatei ha Inaugurated Tura.
Ulat ke jylla wala syamlala banlit hidaladi ndri ula Plie ke Raj Bhavan ha Tura lengba ke video conferencing. Ha kebaledon lang menteri rang ba ke jylla Konrad Kongkal sangma ulam phang ke yang dorbar Thomas E sangma ki menteri ke sarkar jylla ke MP jong ke Tura ke Agatha sangma bat kibai. Ya kini ke Raj Bhavan latei ha ke snong danak gre ha Tura ha ke jaka keberan arpupra point sausan akar. Balatei ke jinglot ke bakot arpusau point iwai klor tengka. Ulat ke jylla ulong ba ke jing pendep ke Raj Bhavan ha Tura ke peni ya ke jingkut jengmut jeng sarkar jylla ban penyat stat gi kam penroy. Bat gi kam ban jing syakri ya ki pat ba ke Rilum Garo. Konrad Kongkal sama ulong ba kalong kesengi kebansakan ma ke jylla bat gi pat ba ke Rilum Garo. Bat ulai kublai ulat ke jylla bal ai ke jing kersan ban la ban pen urlong ya ke ni ke jing temu ban tei pendep ya ke Raj Bhavan ha Tura.
Indeed, today is a very important and very historic moment where we have today inaugurated the Governor House here in Tura, and this has been a very long pending project and also of great expectation from the people of the state, especially from the Garo Hills region. And hence today is a great moment for all of us, where we have been able to inaugurate the Governor House here in Tura, and it sends a very good and a positive message to the people of the state. And I'm happy that the Honorable Governor himself, Mr. Phagu Chauhanji, had inaugurated this Governor House. And I'm sure that now with this infrastructure being here, we will see the visit of the governor more often to Garo Hills, and also we will see that the governor will be able to spend more time here and connect with the people of this region of the state also. And hence it's a great development, and I once again thank the Honorable Governor, and would also like to thank the different departments that have played a very important role in completing this particular project.